You're burning money every time you fill up your tank. Think you know all the tricks to save on gas? Think again. We're about to expose 10 fuel myths that are costing you big time. From premium gas to morning fill-ups, these so-called fuel-saving hacks are nothing but lies. And the worst part? You've probably fallen for most of them. Get ready for a reality check that'll change the way you drive forever. Number 1, turning off the AC saves gas mileage. Picture this. It's a scorching summer day and you're sweating bullets in your car. You want to crank up the AC, but you've heard it'll drain your gas tank faster than a NASCAR pit stop. Well, here's the kicker. That's totally wrong. You might think rolling down the windows is the answer, but at high speeds, that's actually worse for your wallet. The drag from open windows can seriously hurt your MPG. Imagine cruising down the highway with your windows down. The wind's whipping through your car, but so is all that resistance. It's like trying to push a parachute through the air. Here's the cool part. Studies show that at speeds over 50 miles per hour, using AC is actually more fuel efficient than open windows. The aerodynamic hit from open windows at high speeds outweighs the power draw from the AC. It's like your car's wearing a wind-resistant jacket instead of a flappy parachute. Number 2, manual transmissions always save gas. Let's shift gears and talk about something that's probably been drilled into your head since you first learned to drive. Manual transmissions are always more fuel efficient, right? Well, buckle up because we're about to blow that myth wide open. Here's the thing, while manual transmissions used to be the kings of fuel economy, times have changed. Modern automatic transmissions have evolved and they're not just catching up, they're actually leaving manuals in the dust. But car companies aren't exactly shouting this from the rooftops. Why? Because it's cheaper for them to keep pushing the manual myth. Think about it. When's the last time you saw a commercial bragging about how efficient their new automatic transmission is? Instead, they're still selling you on the idea that you need to be shifting gears yourself to save gas. But recent studies are telling a different story. Many of today's automatics, especially those fancy CVTs and dual clutch systems, are actually outperforming manuals when it comes to fuel efficiency. It's not just about the technology either. These new automatics are smart. They're using advanced features and clever electronics to optimize gear ratios in ways that even the most skilled manual driver can't match. And let's be honest, most of us aren't pro drivers anyway. Number 3, cruise control uses less fuel. Alright, buckle up for a reality check about that so-called fuel-saving feature you've been relying on. Cruise control might be your go-to for long trips, but here's the kicker. It's probably burning through your gas faster than you can say road trip. And the reason? It's all about the ups and downs. Literally. Let's be honest, not many roads are as flat as a pool table, and that's where cruise control starts to fumble. Imagine your car huffing and puffing up a hill, desperately trying to keep that set speed. It's like watching dollar bills fly out of your tailpipe. Here's the thing, studies show that on hilly terrain, cruise control can actually increase fuel consumption by up to 20%. Yeah, you heard that right. 20%. Why? Because cruise control is about as smart as a bag of hammers when it comes to anticipating changes in elevation. It just doesn't know what's coming. An experienced driver, on the other hand, can ease off the gas on uphills and let gravity do its thing on the way down. It's like surfing the road, and your wallet will thank you for it. Watch carefully next time you're on a road trip. That little cruise control button might as well be labeled money burner if you're not on pancake flat highways. So unless you're driving across Kansas, you might want to keep your foot on the pedal and your eyes on the road ahead. Number 4, topping off gets you more gas. Alright, let's talk about that satisfying click you hear at the gas pump. You know the one. It tells you your tank is full, but you just can't resist squeezing in a little more, right? Well, hold on to your wallet, because that extra squeeze isn't just useless. It's downright dangerous for your ride and your bank account. Here's the thing, when you try to force more gas into a full tank, it's not going where you think. That extra fuel isn't making it into your tank at all. Nope, it's either flowing right back into the station's underground storage or worse, spilling onto the ground. And let's be honest, the last thing you want is to pay for gas that never even makes it into your car. But that's not even the worst part. Watch carefully, because this is where things get really expensive. That seemingly harmless habit of yours, it's actually wreaking havoc on your car's vapor recovery system. We're talking about flooding the charcoal canister, which is supposed to trap fuel vapors. When you mess with that, you're looking at reduced fuel efficiency and potential engine issues. And guess what? Fixing that damage could set you back hundreds of dollars. Number 5, premium gas cleans the engine and gives better performance. Alright, let's talk about the premium gas scam. You know that fancy fuel that costs way more at the pump? Here's the shocking truth. For most cars, it's like throwing money straight into your gas tank and watching it burn. Gas stations and car companies love to push this stuff. They make it sound like you're giving your car a 5-star treatment. But unless your ride specifically needs it, you're just wasting cash. Imagine pouring liquid gold into your gas tank every time you fill up. That's basically what you're doing with premium gas in a car that doesn't need it. Here's the kicker. Studies show that in cars designed for regular gas, premium fuel doesn't do squat for performance or fuel economy. And get this, the EPA says Americans are wasting over $2 billion every year on this unnecessary premium gas. That's billion with a B, folks. Number 6, filling up in the morning saves money. Alright, let's talk about the early bird special that's actually costing you money. You know that friend who swears by filling up at the crack of dawn? Well, they're not just losing sleep, they're losing cash too. Here's the deal, that whole cold gas is denser thing, it's a total myth. Think about it. You're dragging yourself out of bed, fighting through rush hour traffic, all to save what? A few cents. Let's be honest, you're probably spending more on that extra coffee to keep your eyes open than you're saving on gas. It's like trying to catch a unicorn. Sounds magical, but it's not real. Here's the thing, gas pumps are smarter than you think. They're calibrated to give you the same amount of fuel, no matter if it's freezing or boiling outside. The temperature of the gas doesn't change enough to make a difference in your wallet. It's all stored underground, where it stays nice and cool all day long. Number 7, driving on a low fuel tank destroys the engine. Let's talk about that panic you feel when your fuel light blinks on. You know that moment when you're convinced your engine's about to throw a fit and leave you stranded? Well, guess what? Your car's tougher than you think, and that low fuel myth? It's running on empty. Here's the thing, your car's fuel system isn't some delicate flower. It's more like a high-tech vacuum cleaner. That fuel pump at the bottom of your tank, it's got a filter that's catching all the gunk before it even gets close to your engine. So when you're cruising on low, you're not sucking up a smoothie of dirt and debris. But wait, there's more. Sure, running your tank bone dry isn't great for your fuel pump. It likes to stay cool, and fuel helps with that. But modern pumps are built to handle your typical driving habits. They're not gonna throw in the towel just because you pushed it a little far. Number 8, big gas stations have better fuel. Alright folks, let's talk about that fancy gas station you always hit up. You know, the one with the shiny logo and those ads promising rocket fuel for your ride. Well, I hate to burst your bubble, but you're getting played like a fiddle. Here's the shocker, that premium gas you're splurging on, it's basically identical to the budget stuff across the street. No joke. Picture this, a big tanker rolls up to your favorite name brand station, fills them up, then cruises across the road to do the same at the no-name joint. Same fuel, different price tag. But wait, there's more. All that gas, whether it's got a fancy name or not, has to meet the same EPA standards. The only real difference, a tiny splash of additives. We're talking less than 1% of what's in your tank. And get this, those additives don't even make a dent in your mileage or engine performance. Number 9, fuel additives improve mileage and engine performance. Alright folks, let's talk about those magic potions they're peddling at the gas station. You know, those little bottles of fuel additives that promise to turn your clunker into a fuel-sipping supercar. Well, here's the cold, hard truth. They're mostly just snake oil in a fancy package. Picture this. You're at the pump, and you see these shiny bottles promising better mileage, a cleaner engine, and more power. Sounds amazing, right? But hold on to your wallet, because these miracle cures are about as effective as trying to fix a flat tire with duct tape. Let's be honest, if these additives were as amazing as they claim, don't you think car manufacturers would be dumping them into every vehicle they make? The reality is, any benefits these additives provide are usually so tiny that they don't even come close to justifying the cost. It's like paying for a first-class ticket and getting a middle seat in economy. Number 10, shutting the engine off at a stop saves gas. Alright, let's talk about the myth that's burning through your wallet every time you stop your car. You've probably heard that it's better to keep your engine running for short stops. Well, guess what? That's a load of nonsense that's costing you big time. Picture this, you're sitting in the drive-thru, engine humming away, thinking you're being clever, but here's the kicker. You're literally watching your money go up in smoke. And it's not just you. Americans are wasting a whopping 3.8 million gallons of fuel every single day just by letting their cars idle unnecessarily. That's like throwing money straight into the trash. Now, I know what you're thinking. But doesn't starting the engine use more fuel? Not even close. Studies show that if you're stopping for more than 10 seconds, you're better off shutting that engine down. It's that simple. And don't worry about wearing out your starter. The fuel savings far outweigh any potential wear and tear.